Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I am here with a grocery haul, mainly from Kroger, but I also have a little bit of Rite Aid and some Respecs. Not very much from there, but I had some really good deals there. But I'll do Kroger first. This isn't like my normal hauls, and it's a little disappointing, I'm not going to lie. But I'm having to make some major dietary changes. Just to keep y'all posted on the whole thing. I've gone through quite a bit of testing, and honestly it's been very wearing on me. So if I don't sound as upbeat and happy, that's why. It's been very hard, you know, to just have to wait, and I've still not really received an official diagnosis from the specialist or whatever, but he said my symptoms are along the lines of a person with Crohn's disease, and I'm not sure if that's what I have or not. Honestly, he can't give us a definite answer. So right now, the main goal is to get the inflammation reduced in my stomach, and he has prescribed some medicine for that, but I also was told by him to watch my diet and see what foods don't trigger the symptoms. So I ended up going to a nutritionist doctor around here, and she helped me figure out some good things I should be eating. So we're trying. It's a lot more expensive. I'm not going to lie. It's pretty pricey to do these things. But I'm trying to do it to the best of my ability. I can't give up couponing, obviously, because I just can't. But it's a lot harder to get deals on these things. But I made it happen today, and I still saved a really good amount. So I'm doing the best I can. I don't think the price I paid for this is horrible when you think of all the organic stuff I got. Like I said, you've seen my grocery hauls, and they're usually better than this. It is what it is, and I have to do this for my health. It's cheaper than a hospital bill, and I want to feel better. So when you see some of these things, you're going to think, oh my gosh, you paid way too much. But I'm following the orders of the nutritionist, and honestly, even the specialist, because he told me I need to be really careful about what stuff I'm eating. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to be honest with you. There was way, way better deals in my Kroger couponing deals video. And you should check that out, because if you don't have to do any restrictive diets or whatever, there are some really good food deals over there. They're just things that I can't personally have right now. So, yeah, check that out, though. If you click the little eye in the top right corner, it will take you there. And also, if you haven't checked out the 3-day sale, and there's a bunch of stuff going on at Kroger, they'll all be in that little eye. So I'm going to dive right in. I stocked up on a lot of meat. The Laura's Linger on beef was $5.59. The Simple Truth Chuck Roast was $8.99, which is good because it was regularly $12.99. And then this ribeye steak was $6.79. I believe it was regularly, I don't know, it was more than that. It's organic, so the prices are more, but I have to, per their orders, it has to be grass-fed and all natural and all that stuff. So I don't think that was bad. And then I got the chicken. This was pretty good. They were on sale a little bit. $7.85, $5.49 a pound, and $7.25. I had $1.50 off a 2 digital coupon, so that was decent. It wasn't great, but it wasn't horrible either. So had to do that. I just got 2 organic sweet potatoes. Those were bad, but I have to have those. Those were expensive. The frozen strawberries. These were on the mega sale for $6.49. I had $1 off coupon. They have to be the organic ones. I bet Aldi has them cheaper. I'd have to look. But I needed them today, and I had that $1 off coupon that they sent me in the mail, so that was pretty good. The vitamin waters were $3.99. Well, this was a good deal. The toothpaste was $1.99. I had a $4 off of 2 digital, making it free. We needed electric toothbrushes. Again, this wasn't good. The value pack was $6.49. This was $3.59, so I kind of had to have it. The pure water filter, my mom just wanted this because I can't have any pop or anything right now. It has to be water. Even the vitamin water is kind of, that's pretty much the only exception. I have to just drink water. That was $22.99, which was cheaper than Walmart because I actually scanned it in the Walmart app, and it was like $25. So Kroger beat them on that, so that was nice. The Ronzoni gluten-free pasta, this was 99 cents, which I know we don't ever like to pay for pasta, but I have to have gluten-free right now, and it retails for $2.79. So that was a really good price for me, so I stocked up. I grabbed the Simple Truth cage-free eggs. This is the 18-pack. It was $3.99, which I'm going to be honest, these taste, in my opinion, a lot better than the regular white eggs. I don't understand it. I guess maybe these are healthier or something. They have a lot more flavor, so I really, really like that. We got some organic celery. It was $1.99. Now, I really do encourage you, if you're trying to be health conscious, you should check out the Dirty Dozen and then the Clean 15. It really helps you to figure out what things are healthy and what things aren't. Like, not healthy, but what things are the least or what's got the most pesticides and the least. It'd really amaze you some of the things on that list. So I grabbed the organic celery. It was $1.99, which is a lot, but there's a lot of celery there, so I don't think that's horrible. All right, and this was expensive. It was $3.79, but I had to get this one because the nutritionist said to get stuff with whole milk in it, not the reduced fat milk. She said the whole milk was better, so that's what I went with today. The auto detergent was $1.99 on the mega sale. It had $1 off coupon, so 99 cents. It was a digital coupon. Is this a good deal? The Simple Truth cheese was $2.49, which I know that's compared to the regular, but she said everything needs to be like grass-fed and it needs to be healthier, so, you know, you got to do what you got to do. This is the cheapest honey I could find, raw honey. This was $4.39. I know, crazy. This was decent. The coconut flour was on sale for $5.99. It was down from $7.49. Had $1 off printable from Bob's Red's Mill site, so it made that $4.99. And I'm going to contact some of these companies like Stonyfield. I know they got to have coupons somewhere. I've just got to still take the time to figure it all out. I just am trying to changing my diet like these last couple of weeks, so I'm trying to still figure out what'll work and how to find coupons. It's crazy. You got to change your whole way of couponing. I mean, you're used to getting all these things for free and really cheap, but if it, you know, you have to fit it into your life any way you can. So hopefully, if any of you are even interested in things like that, I can help you all figure out how to save on the things like this. But I'm going to be honest, it's not near as good as we saved on the other stuff. That, I guess, isn't as good for you or whatever. But yeah, I'm making it work. All right, the Alexia Organic Yukon Select Fries. These aren't the best thing in the world, but it is probably the best thing I found at the store today. I mean, it does have some oil in it, vegetable oil, and it's not the best, but I gotta have something. So these were $2.99, and it's at least organic, so in moderation it should be all right. I grabbed some bananas back there, and I did do the Ziploc. This is a good deal. They were these huge ones. They were regularly $5.29. They had them on a 50% off clearance for $2.74. And I had $1 off 2 coupon. The mega event made them $1.74, and I had $1 off 2 coupon. Some of these $1.24 for some Ziploc bags. I really stocked up. Those are the big ones. Okay, I grabbed some Simple Truth coconut milk. This is $1.79 on the mega, and I grabbed some almond milk for $1.79 on the mega, and that's phenomenal. The bone broth, I know this is a lot cheaper at Walmart, but the nutritionist told me that I need to drink some bone broth every day. So I needed it for today. This was $3.99. I had an 85-cent coupon, so kind of a lot. And then my mom just needs some ice. So I was at a Kroger. Let me show you what I did at Rite Aid. The Zim's Max Freeze. I did 2 transactions. The coupon said 1 per customer, so my mom did 1 and I did 1. These were $7. Used a $2 coupon. I paid $5, and then I got back $6 in bonus cash. So $1 moneymaker. And in the Wet and Wild, I saw Michelle's Frugal Living got one of these for 24 cents on clearance, and she had a $1 loaded card that worked, and I had that same coupon, but it didn't work on this specific one, so I wound up paying 24 cents, which is a bummer. But you know, I'm Rite Aid rich, and I made money on the Zim, so I'm really not disappointed. And then Respecs, the Keurig, these are all part of the buy 8, save 8 sale. These are $2.99 on sale at Respecs, which is crazy, and it had $1 off coupons. So $1.99 for that. I don't drink coffee. This is just for people in my family who do. And then the Puffs were 49 cents for these really massive ones on the mega event, which is an awesome price. Not at Kroger, Respecs. Kroger has them for 99, but if you have Respecs, you should go there because they're only 49. So let me go over some numbers. Retail for everything was $307.37 plus tax, but there was, I can't figure out the meat savings because it doesn't have the prices on the receipts. So I did save more because these were on clearance price. But I paid $168.24 plus tax, and then the additional meats, I saved 45%, but I also saved more because of the meats. I don't have an exact, that's kind of just an estimate. I think it was a very, very successful trip at Kroger, Respecs, and Rite Aid trying to figure out this diet thing. If any of you have gone through anything similar and have any tips or anything you want to share about couponing and having to do this extremely restrictive diet, let me know, because I would love to know. I'm not going to quit couponing, obviously, but I've got to find a new way to get it to adapt to my life for the food. Obviously, I can keep couponing for, like, detergent and toothpaste, but I've got to figure out a way to make it work for these organic foods that I have to eat right now. So, yeah, that is all I have for now. Check out my other videos if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.